Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoom for the first time step by step clearly. Open a web browser and go to Zoom. To make sure you are on the official Zoom website. Click Sign Up. Then enter your email address and follow the verification link sent to your inbox. Create a strong password and complete the account details so your profile is ready. If you already have an account, click Sign In and log in with your email and password. Download the Zoom Workplace app for your device by clicking Download at the top of the website. Install the app and allow it to finish setup without closing the installer. Open Zoom and sign in using the same account you created on the website. Click your profile picture, choose Settings, and set your display name the way you want others to see it. Go to the Video tab and select the correct camera. Then check the preview to confirm it looks clear. Enable HD video if your computer and internet can handle it, or leave it off for stability. Go to the Audio tab and choose your microphone and speaker from the drop-down menus. Click Test Speaker and Test Mic. Then adjust the volume sliders until you hear and record clearly. Turn on Automatically Adjust Microphone Volume if you want Zoom to balance your voice level. Enable Mute My Mic when joining a meeting if you want privacy when you enter calls. Go to the General tab and enable Start Zoom when I start Windows or Mac OS if you use Zoom often. Go to the Background and Effects tab and choose a background or blur if you want a cleaner look. Click Schedule to create a new meeting and set the date, time, and meeting title. Choose whether to require a meeting passcode for better security. Enable Waiting Room if you want to approve participants before they enter. Click Save, then copy the invitation to share the meeting link with others. Click New Meeting to test your setup immediately in a private session. Use the Mute and Start Video buttons to practice turning your audio and camera on and off. Click the small arrow next to the microphone to quickly switch audio devices if something sounds wrong. Click Share Screen and select a window to practice presenting. Then stop sharing when done. Open Chat and send a test message so you know where to find it during real meetings. Click Participants to see how the attendee list works and how to manage people in a call. Click Security to learn where to lock the meeting and manage basic permissions. Update Zoom when prompted so you have the latest features and security fixes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.